Hello and welcome. I'm so thrilled you could be here with me today because I've got something really special for you. I'm going to be sharing a family recipe that's been in my family for generations. What is it exactly? Well, today we're going to be making a pureed nut spread with a sweet raspberry relish reduction on whole grain bread. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Remove the crust, because if it's not on pizza, it's disgusting. I'm going to use a pair of scissors because it makes it a lot easier to cut the bread, and it cuts the time in half. You see what I did there? Cuts, scissors, half. Okay, moving on. As you can see, I'm cutting away at the edges here. I'm going to take these crumbs and put it in the bowl, so that way I can feed it to the peasants later. And now you have two nice, even slices of bread without any crust. Look at it. It's amazing. Now we're going to take our pureed nut spread and grab a knife or a spoon, but in my case I'm going to use a knife. And you're going to apply a nice, thick, even coating on both slices of the bread. Not just one, but both slices, so that way you can really taste the flavor. Look how creamy this is. I spent a lot of time in the forest hand-picking peanuts and crushing them with my bare hands for this batch. Now let's grab our relish. Keep in mind you can use any type of fruit here, not just raspberries, but my taste is better than yours, so that's what we'll be using. Apply only about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the relish because it's really sweet and rich in nature, and we don't want to overpower that bold, creamy, nutty texture and flavor of the nut spread. Bring the two halves together, and you now have a pureed nut spread with a raspberry relish reduction.